Welcome to the channel. So this is RCA Victor BP-10. Maybe the first or one of the first radios to use this really small RCA tubes, meaning making pocket radios. Now I have acquired a few of these that was made at the time to have a true comparison of their features, their size, portability, and how pocketable they really are. I will not show you the others, they're still on the shelf waiting for repair. But this one I finally got done, thanks for my friend Jussi, who helped to look for, because there was like parts dropping when I opened it first time up. Some parts dropped out. I wasn't sure if everything was in correct place, but yeah, it was a rather difficult one to do. And then I replaced all the caps. The tubes are all original, which is nice. I fixed the hinges. I mean, they're not original looking, but they work somehow. I mean, I could make this even better, but it's old and worn out, as it is what now, 86 years old, this radio. And it opens like this. There's just noise due to all the electronics in my office, so. RCA Victor BP-10. Working again. The antenna is, if I'm still built here, a loop antenna. You can direct it. Yeah, the battery is still a bit problem because this one is too big. I need to figure out another battery for this, that solution that would actually fit nicely inside here. That I wouldn't need, because it's bulging really, the chassis. So here's the cover. I replaced the original pads. They had deteriorated with double sticky tape, and one company, even in Finland, had the almost original padding here. This is for the batteries to keep them in place. This for 1.5. This for the what's called 67.5 volt battery. There's the RCA stickers, important, by RCA only licensed, and so on. Have I been able to calibrate this? No, maybe later. I'm missing some of the tools. And here, as you can see, it's very easy to open. So there's one screw. There's one screw on the. There's a black background to it, and then there's one behind the battery. Oh, that one. So with these, if you remove those free screws, you will get this cover here off, and then you have easy access to all the components. So you don't dismantle the top cover at all. I replaced all the caps and added some extra insulation here and there. It was really challenging to find some of the caps, but I managed to get them as close as possible to the original values. All original RCA tubes, which are nice. There's the variable capacitor coils, and here's the horrendous mix of cables I did to connect. I ran out of 9-volt connectors and I had to improvise. I promised you viewers I will tomorrow go and get the better one, maybe even before I release this video, to make it look nicer. Maybe shorten the cables a bit, but this is a problem. This one, here's a 6-volt batteries, and then one 9-volt, but I'm really like, I think I need to find some other solution, because this 9-volt battery needed won't fit here. It will touch the variable capacitor, and here it's kind of bulging it out, which is, there's funny enough, there's space underneath here, plenty of, but due to how this tray is placed here, this one here, you can't go down with it. So I made for another radio this nice battery pack. This is 45 volt. This is perfect size. This 67.5, I don't know if the Energizer's originals would be correct size, the new ones, maybe, but I can't get them anywhere in Finland. It's like no one wants to ship them here either. So basically how to do, be very careful. Some of the soft cushioning was crumbly. Just replace the caps, fix some of the wiring. Yeah. And now it's time to go to the balcony to test if we can get something to listen to. Music, maybe something else. See you there. Yeah, there it is. I'm not sure what channel this is, but it works. The fact that it's from 1939, 1940, and it's working again. The lid works also nicely after my repairs. It still squeaks a bit, but I think it's due to the glue. I don't know. I'm still waiting. Yeah, this works quite nicely. RCA Victor BP-10 working again. I'm so happy about this. Yeah. What else is coming? Volume potentiometer is a bit. It does work. It's just a lot of noise here. I think it's time to end with this wonderful, whatever music this is. RCA BP-10 fully working and with us again. A really beautiful radio. And even in Finland, where there's no medium wave transmissions on the left, we can. This is actually all coming from abroad. None of this. Maybe Romania, maybe China. I don't know, but definitely not from Finland. It works wonderfully. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.